na yung mga problema na nagdudulot ng baha at kaya naman lagi tayo nag-aalala kapag umuulan, sana makarating tayo sa panahon na kahit umulan ng malakas, hindi natin inaalala na may babaha ang ating mga bahay, ang ating mga tirahan. So that is what we are trying to do. This is what we are attempting to start now. Patuloy pa rin ito. Hindi lang for the next 9 months ito. Kahit na matapos na yung trabaho, babalikan ulit yan. Dahil pagkakaroon ulit ng situation, kailangan po ulit yan. Pero hindi na ganito kalaki ang trabaho. Dahil kaunti na lang ang kailangan kunin. So that is why we are here. This is the project that we are initiating. As I promised when we started the project in Metro Manila, that we will not only go to Metro Manila, but we will go to all the urban centers and all of those areas that have suffered severe flooding in the last rains. So, yun ang pupuntahan natin. Alright, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Magandang hapon.